Welcome to the podcast on Introduction to Various Data Visualization Tools in Techniques. The podcast is part of the Data Analytics series. In today's data-driven world, raw data can be overwhelming. Data visualization and storytelling simplify complex information, making it clear, engaging, and actionable. Visualization highlights patterns, while storytelling adds context, improving communication and decision-making. This podcast explores their importance. The current podcast is created by Jitendra Tomar, an academician and experienced training consultant with a passion for knowledge sharing and skill development. With years of expertise in education, corporate training, and professional development, the intention is to bring insightful discussions and valuable perspectives to the audience through podcasts. This podcast is thoughtfully designed at JT Design Studio, a creative hub committed to producing high-quality, engaging, and educational content that resonates with learners and professionals alike. Let us explore the most popular visualization tools and techniques in the current time. Data visualization and storytelling helps in achieving the listed objectives that focus on simplifying complex data to engaging the audience. Let us explore each objective one by one. The first objective is to simplifying complex data. Data visualization transforms complex datasets into easily digestible formats like graphs, charts, and maps. By presenting information visually, it simplifies understanding, making it easier to spot patterns, trends, and correlations that might be hidden in raw data. This enhances analysis, improves decision-making, and allows for better communication of insights. Storytelling adds context to visuals by weaving a narrative around the data. It helps the audience understand the why and how behind the numbers, making insights more meaningful and relevant. A well-crafted story not only explains the data but also makes it more engaging, memorable, and persuasive. The second objective is to empower decision-making. Visuals quickly reveal key insights, enabling stakeholders to make informed decisions with greater clarity and efficiency. Interactive dashboards allow users to explore data independently, filter relevant information, and identify trends in real time. This empowers decision makers to respond proactively and base their strategies on data-driven insights rather than assumptions. A well-crafted narrative guides the audience through data points, ensuring they focus on the most critical takeaways. By structuring data into a logical flow, storytelling helps eliminate confusion and highlights key patterns, relationships, and implications. This ensures that decisions are based on a coherent, well-informed understanding of the data rather than isolated numbers. The third point is improving engagement and retention. Visuals are memorable and engaging, making data more appealing than raw text or numbers. Well-designed charts, graphs, and infographics capture attention and simplify complex information, helping audiences quickly grasp key insights. This leads to better retention of messages, especially for non-technical audiences who may struggle with dense numerical data or statistical reports. Narratives personalize data, humanizing information through relatable stories and real-world examples. By connecting data to experiences, emotions, or everyday situations, storytelling makes insights more engaging and easier to remember. This approach increases audience interest, strengthens the message's impact, and encourages meaningful action based on the data. The fourth objective is to identify patterns and trends. Visual representation makes trends, outliers, and correlations more apparent and accessible, allowing for quicker and more effective analysis. It helps identify hidden insights that might not be obvious in raw data, such as seasonal patterns in sales, emerging market trends, or unusual fluctuations in performance metrics. By translating numbers into intuitive visuals, decision makers can spot key areas that require attention or further investigation. A compelling story directs the audience's attention to these patterns and trends, ensuring they grasp their significance and implications. By framing data within a meaningful context, storytelling clarifies why certain patterns emerge and how they impact decision making. This approach transforms data from mere statistics into actionable insights that drive better strategies and informed choices. The fifth objective is to facilitate communication and collaboration. Visuals transcend language barriers and technical jargon, making complex information more universally accessible. Whether it's a simple pie chart or an interactive dashboard, visuals help break down communication barriers, enabling people with varying levels of expertise and from diverse backgrounds to understand and engage with the data. This is especially valuable in global teams or multidisciplinary settings where stakeholders may speak different languages or have different technical knowledge. A shared narrative creates a common understanding of the data, aligning different teams around a central message or goal. By framing the data in a story that resonates with all stakeholders, storytelling fosters collaboration and ensures that everyone is on the same page. This alignment leads to more cohesive teamwork, better decision-making, and a unified approach toward achieving objectives. The next objective is to empower the action. Clear visuals highlight key points that require attention and action by presenting data in an intuitive and easily understandable format. By using elements like color coding, annotations, and prominent data points, visuals direct focus to critical insights that demand immediate attention, such as areas of decline, inefficiencies, or opportunities for growth. This makes it easier for stakeholders to identify specific areas that need improvement or interventions, enabling them to take prompt, informed action to address issues or capitalize on opportunities. A compelling narrative not only explains what needs to be done but also provides clear reasoning for why those actions are necessary, grounding decisions in data-driven insights. By contextualizing the data and illustrating its real-world implications, storytelling motivates the audience by making the consequences of inaction or the benefits of action more tangible. This clarity inspires confidence, drives urgency, and empowers stakeholders to take the next steps with a deeper understanding of the data's significance and its potential impact. And the last objective is to help in building trust and credibility. Presenting data clearly and transparently builds credibility by allowing people to see the data behind the story, ensuring that the insights are grounded in factual information. This openness helps prevent misinterpretations and fosters trust, as audiences can independently verify the data's authenticity and accuracy. Clear visuals and accessible data also reduce the potential for bias, making the analysis more reliable and respected. A well-structured, truthful story establishes trust by providing context, explaining the data's relevance, and ensuring that it is easy to understand. By focusing on clarity and honesty, storytelling removes confusion and ensures that the message is both relatable and accessible. This approach makes the data more meaningful to diverse audiences, allowing them to engage with the information in a way that aligns with their experiences and needs. The objective of data visualization and storytelling is to simplify complex data, enhance understanding, and drive informed decision-making by making insights clear, engaging, and actionable. The objectives that were covered in this podcast are consolidate once again. By now, we have understood that data visualization and storytelling leaves a positive impact. Mastering data visualization and storytelling skills is crucial for anyone working with data, as these techniques enable individuals to convey complex information in a way that resonates with diverse audiences. By transforming raw data into clear, engaging, and insightful narratives, these skills make information not only accessible but also persuasive, empowering decision makers to act confidently and strategically. This brings us to the end of this podcast on data visualization tools and techniques, which is a part of Knowledge series on data analytics. Always remember, learning is an art and is a lifelong scholastic activity. Hope to be with you in some other session, some other time. For more academic content on various subjects, remain connected.